Hey everyone, Ross here with Cloud Campaign, and today we're going to be going over how to create CSVs, format them, and load them into the system. CSVs are great because what they're going to allow you to do is create pre-made posts that when you load into the system, you'll have an image with its caption ready to go. You can also use CSVs to upload the same content into multiple workspaces at the same time. So the first thing that you'll need to do is download our template. So to do this, if you go to our FAQs, you'll find this handy dandy how do I format my CSV content for bulk uploading, and in there is the template. And this is what it'll look like. So you can see that we provide some example data here. Link is if you have a link to like an article or a podcast. The nice thing about links is they'll have metadata ready to go, which means you don't usually need to upload a caption or an image. It's just going to pull whatever the image and caption is that's associated with that link. For the image column, this is going to be a link to an image that you might have stored online. We'll go over how to do that. Captions, obviously the caption that you want, whether you want it to be approved, whether you want it to recycle, you can actually put the day you want it to go out. If you want to schedule the content, you can also do that through categories, which we'll talk about. And you can also leave an internal comment for the team. So you could say this post is ready to go or whatever you want. After you've had a chance to look at this, go ahead and delete the existing content on there. This is mostly there for just example purposes. So the first thing that I want to show you is how to link to an image. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Imgur, imgur.com. There's other different free image hosting sites, but this is definitely a great one. And all I have to do is click on Add Image. I'm going to drag just a couple images here and wait for those to load in. And now you can see them. And if I click on this one of our nice Cloud Campaign mascot sleeping, I want to copy the direct link that you can see here. So I'm just going to go ahead and click copy. Now I'm going to pull back up that template and I'm going to put the link to it here. There we go. So for the title, I'll just put Sleeping Dogs. Oops, I put this in the wrong category. It's going to go into the image category because you're linking to an image. I'm going to put the caption, Office Dogs taking a nap. Approved, I'm going to say this is approved. Recycle, I'm going to say false. Do not want it to recycle. And the schedule date, I'm not going to put something, I'm going to let the category take care of that. And for comment, I'll say this is ready to go. Okay, so now we have this piece ready. You obviously don't need to do one at a time. You can upload tons of different images into here if you want to load a lot of content in at the same time. So now I'm going to go ahead and export this as a CSV. And now that's going to populate onto my desktop and you can see it there. Okay. So now we go back into Cloud Campaign. If I want to load this directly into a workspace, so we're in this example workspace here, I can do that by going to my bulk operations and clicking on Upload CSV Content. Now I just have to drag that CSV into the system. If I go to Toggle Advanced, I can do things like add a watermark, or in this case, I can upload my example. So CSV Upload Example is the category we're going to use here. And then I just click Upload File, and that's done. And now this image is going to load in here. If I just refresh my content library, let's go ahead and do that. Here it is. So now you can see it already has the caption, it has the title, and you can see the dog sleeping. The nice thing about CSVs is you can also use them to load a lot of content into multiple workspaces at the same time. So to do that, you just go to your master view, click on bulk operations, upload CSV. Same thing here, I just click and drag it to the into the system, and then I click the workspaces that I want to go to and just click upload file. You can't use categories for this, but you can still put the schedule date. And that's it. That's everything to do with CSVs. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to the team. Thanks.